After waiting what feels like a very long time, it now appears we have full details on pricing, availability, and specs on Sony's Airpeak S1 drone. All of that coming up right now. Hey everyone, my name is Sean and welcome to Geeksvana. So today we're going to be talking about Sony's new Airpeak S1 drone, which is finally listed as pre-order from today, December the 1st, 2021. The introductory model in the new Airpeak line, the S1, is the world's smallest drone that can be equipped with a full-size mirrorless interchangeable lens alpha camera. Now, pre-sales opens, as I said, today, December 1st, 2021, with an expected customer ship date of December 24th, 2021. So it could be a very happy Christmas for some commercial operators out there. Introduced at CES 2021, Sony's Airpeak S1 drone is designed for professional users, and it's compatible with a wide range of Sony's camera bodies, including the Alpha 1, Alpha 7S series, the Alpha 7R series, the Alpha 9 series, FX3, and others. Now, one of the biggest selling features that Sony have been talking about a lot in their press releases is the fact that their proprietary technology actually delivers smooth maneuverability even at high speeds with high stability in wind as well, enabling high quality aerial images and video content. Sony tell us we're excited to now make the new Airpeak S1 drone available for purchase, and for the amazing set of possibilities this drone opens for cinematographers, said Yang Chen, Vice President Imaging Solutions for Sony Electronics Inc. The drone's compact size, new software features, and advanced imaging sensing, AI and robotics reflects the high-quality industry respects Sony for, and enables content creators and commercial professionals to capture images and video not possible before. They tell us the drone includes Sony's Airpeak Flight iOS-based app, which integrates and monitors all hardware related to the drone itself, giving the operator real-time status display and updates on the screen. An Airpeak-based web application is also available, allowing the operator to manage the equipment, create advanced flight plans, run the same pattern repeatedly, and fully manage and troubleshoot flight logs. For multiple operators, the Airpeak S1 also includes a dual operation mode, so one user can operate the drone as another operates the gimbal and camera, while each can monitor the content being recorded. Now, there will be an optional cloud service. Airpeak Plus is available by paid subscription and provides additional data storage, advanced geofencing options, and import-export of flight logs. Airpeak S1 retail price is around $9,000 and will ship with 2 pairs of propellers, a remote controller, 2 batteries, and a battery charger. Now, you need a third-party gimbal, which is made specifically for the S1, which will be sold separately. So let's take a look at that now. And as you can see here, the Sony release page, again confirming the price, which is just 1 cent short of the $9,000 mark, which again you are now able to pre-order from today's date in the correct territories. Now that does include just the drone, of course. Now, the product highlights said that it is the world's smallest drone that can carry a full Alpha series mirrorless camera. The maximum speed of 55.9 miles per hour, as Sony developed propulsion device and flight control system. They seem very proud of their proprietary propulsion system from the point of view of the algorithm that's going to keep the drone flying longer and in high wind situations. And as it says here, it's unstable in winds up to 44.7 miles per hour, which is 20 meters a second. Flight time of up to 22 minutes without a payload. So it'll be interesting to see what you do get with one of the third-party gimbals and cameras. These highlights also talk a little about the Sony-developed stereo cameras and vision sensing processor with original algorithm for real-time 3D spatial awareness. Now, that means that it allegedly achieves stable flight in enclosed spaces or when out of range of global navigation satellite systems. So this is a GNSS-deprived capable drone, which is exciting. Interestingly, they talk about their obstacle avoidance in inverted commas as being equipped with obstacle braking function by multi-directional sensing. So let's take a look at the accessories. Now, you're going to obviously, once you've paid your $9,000 for the drone itself, you're then going to need to get one of the Gremsy gimbals, which is a third-party gimbal manufactured for this drone, and it is currently retailing at $2,199.99. Again, a fairly significant investment. Spare controllers can be gained for $1,000, and you've got the propellers there at $200. and the battery charger at $250, and one of the battery packs at $230. So that answers quite a lot of questions for us. Also, we were talking about the Airpeak Plus cloud system, and the 12-month subscription plan they're showing at $299. Looking in more detail at the gimbal itself, obviously, as you would expect, camera and lens sold separately, as this is expected to use your existing equipment essentially. So you have a gimbal customized exclusively for Airpeak that can be equipped with alpha cameras, easy to put on and take off with quick release by pre-setup, and the IMU that takes temperature control into consideration and realizes gimbal control that's not affected by outside air temperatures. And as you can see here in the questions and answers, someone's already asked whether or not it's going to be compatible with Canon or other camera brands. And as this is a Sony Airpeak drone specifically designed to lift Sony alpha cameras, it is at the moment only going to be able to be used with compatible Sony alpha cameras. So there we have it, the full details of the Sony Airpeak S1 drone. Let me know in the comments if you're tempted to buy one of these drones, if you're one of the commercial operators that would put this to good use, and where the rest of you really see this drone coming. Is this going to be competing with the likes of the Matrice, or is this actually something completely new? Is this an Inspire competitor, taking that to the next level, kind of like the Ronin 4D, etc., that type of thing? Let me know in the comments. I'd really like to hear your thoughts and continue the conversation here, as we usually do here on Geeksvana. I'll be bringing you more updates on the Sony Airpeak S1 as we get them, and yeah, we'll look forward to the unboxings and the footage that we're going to get once this product starts to deliver, at the moment in late December 2021. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button. If you're still watching the video now, please hit that like button. It does help the YouTube algorithm. Thanks, and I'll see you next time. Sean out.